In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Temu app. We'll walk through a quick, reliable way to get Temu running on your PC as an app-like experience using your web browser. This method installs Temu as a standalone window from the website, so it opens cleaner than a regular tab and sits on your desktop or start menu like any other app. First, open a web browser on your PC. Any modern browser will do, but this process works best in an up-to-date browser with support for installing sites as apps. Make sure your internet connection is stable so the installation doesn't stall midway. Next, go to the official Temu website by typing the address into the browser's address bar and pressing Enter. Give the page a moment to load fully. It's always a good idea to double-check you're on the correct site before proceeding. Look for a secure connection indicator next to the address to be sure you're in the right place. Now, look to the very top right corner of your browser window for the three-dot menu. It's a small icon with three vertical or horizontal dots that opens a general options menu. Click that menu to open it. You'll see a list of tools and settings. Within that menu, hover your mouse over the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share. Don't click yet. Just pause your cursor over it to reveal more options. This area contains tools related to sending content, saving pages, and, importantly for us, installing the site as an app. When the submenu appears, click Install as App. In many browsers, this option might be phrased slightly differently, like Install App or Install Temu, but the intention is the same. Clicking it will open a small confirmation window that explains the app will be added to your device. Click Install to confirm. Your browser will take care of the rest. You might see a brief spinner or a progress indicator while it prepares the app-like version. This usually only takes a few seconds. Finally, wait for the installation to finish. When it's done, Temu will open in its own dedicated window without the usual browser address bar clutter. You should also see a new shortcut added to your desktop or start menu, making it easy to open Temu later, like any other application. If you don't spot it immediately, try searching your system for Temu. That's it. You've successfully installed Temu as an app from your browser, giving you quicker access and a cleaner interface for browsing and shopping. If the install option didn't appear, make sure your browser is updated and try refreshing the page before repeating these steps.